Hi everyone, my name is Aysha. Welcome back. Today we're going to be making a delicious garlic tahini sauce. If you're not familiar with tahini, it's ground sesame seeds, kind of like sesame seed butter in a sense. And I got mine at Whole Foods. You can pretty much get it at any market. Sometimes it might be in the ethnic or Middle Eastern section of the market. So let's get started. We're gonna start with I've already got 3 cloves of garlic ready to go. And we're gonna put them in our food processor. And let's get those minced. I used my Cuisinart food processor to mince up my fresh garlic. So now that I have my 3 garlic cloves minced, we're gonna grab our tahini. Make sure you mix it well, kind of like natural peanut butter, because it will separate. About half a cup of the tahini. Nice and smooth and creamy. And then we're gonna get some fresh lemon juice to really brighten it up and give it a nice acidic flavor. So I have my half of my lemon, it's juiced. Now I have my 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. We'll add that in. Then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of honey. 1 more, and 2. This sweetness will counteract the acidity in the garlic really nicely and really give it a nice balanced flavor. And then we're gonna do 2 teaspoons of vinegar. You can use white vinegar, or I like to use apple cider vinegar just to give it a little bit more flavor. Oh no. 2 teaspoons of vinegar. And then my secret ingredient is a little bit of paprika. It gives it a little bit of a smoky flavor. So I'm eyeballing it, but it would be about 1 to 2 teaspoons. Also gonna do a teaspoon of sea salt. This is really important. Don't skip the salt. It really gives it that extra boost of flavor. I'm gonna just do a pinch of extra virgin olive oil. A little bit. I'd say that was also about 2 teaspoons. Now, before we start blending this up, I'm gonna get about a 1/4 cup of water to help thin this out a little bit. I'm gonna get this going and then gradually add a little bit of water to kind of thin the sauce out a bit. Look at that, it looks nice and creamy. A nice, smooth, delicious sauce. Once you've got that nice creamy consistency, add in a little bit of parsley as our finishing touch. Parsley adds a nice finishing flavor. I'm gonna plate a little, but if you're not eating it right away, you can store it in a jar or airtight container in your refrigerator for about a week. And if you're presenting this at a party, go ahead and add a little bit more parsley to give it a really nice contrast and pretty presentation. You can even do a splash of olive oil on top. Now I'm gonna have my husband Mike taste test this. Why don't you come over here?
Me?
You. Just try it with a spoon.
That's incredible.
What would you eat this with?
By itself?
What else?
Anything. Your corn fritters, pita chips, falafel, a rice and veggie bowl, even pasta, just plain pasta. This would add life to anything. It's incredible. This is outstanding. Goodness. Am I good?
Like Mike said, you can have this garlic tahini sauce with almost anything. You can have it with my corn fritter recipe. Click here to view that, or view the description below. You can also have it with pita chips, pasta, you name it, anything. It's high in protein, and most importantly, it's super delicious. And you're really gonna impress your friends and family with this recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this recipe, please subscribe to my channel. And if you're interested in more delicious recipes, please click the link in the description below. Thank you guys so much, and see you next time.